What's up guys, this is ActionAmeen and I'm back with a new video. Today Samsung will launch its flagship model Galaxy S10 series. So let's unbox the smartphone and check out what's special in it. Let's check out the smartphone. So coming to the display, it has a 6.4 inches of dynamic Super AMOLED screen with the HDR10 plus quality and very cinematic experience in the phone. The display has a resolution of 3040 into 1440 and a PPI of 522 pixels per inch and 19:9 screen to body ratio, no bezel, no notch. And let's check out the camera. It has a dual selfie camera with a 10 and 8 megapixel. It's a first phone with a 4K recording on the front cam. The rear camera, it comes with a triple cam of 12 and 16 megapixel. Coming to the configuration part, this phone comes with an 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage with a hybrid slot expandable up to 256 GB. It has an Exynos 99820 octa-core chipset. S9 Plus had an 18:9 ratio display. This one comes with a 19:9. Chipset is more efficient, more powerful compared to S9 Plus. It has a long lasting of 4100 mAh, 500 mAh more than the previous smartphone. So Galaxy S10 series comes up with 3 variants: S10e of 5.8 inches display and S10 of 6.1 inches display, and finally S10 Plus with 6.4 inches of display. If your phone is damaged and you're bought it at Sangeetha, we give you a new phone at 50%. If you bought a new phone, what if the price goes down? We will give back the difference amount.
Visit our nearest Sangeetha stores or log on to our website for more exciting offers and pre-booking of S10 series.